Hi guys, for today we're playing Avatar World. Let's first feed them. Hoy, let's feed them. We're gonna feed them.
The water.
They are okay with no water. They are okay na sila kahit na walang water. Wait. Hey, why did you do that? There's more clothes. It's actually more color. It's a color. There's a lot, there's so many colors. And clothes. Why did you lie to me?
Lika yun something. Take it out the bathroom. Bob your healthy. Look the cat. Asan yung cat? Asan yung cat? Sabi ko, asan yung cat?
Hindi ko alam.
Batam yan, katal hindi.
Asan yung cat?
Batam ata.
Ba't ginanon mo naman yung pusa?
Ang funny.
Ito. Uy, tulog kayo. Tulog kayo. Yeah. Tumulog kayo. Tulog kayo. Tulog kayo. Tulog kayo. Dun. Tapang. Tapang. Taping. Taping. Stepping. 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 Why do I have Jashiwashi?
The what?
Let's get our own avatar. This is my own avatar. Why do I have Jashiwashi? I don't like Jashiwashi.
Does he wash his ugly or not?
I'm putting Jashiwashi out of the line.
That's why not she is lady like Admiral too.
Wasn't that funny, guys?
Who is this girl then?
That's me. Hey! Hey! Amber! Amber! Gusto mo? Amber. Baka gusto mo din. Chienas! Buti wala yung avatar mo. Sige, ayaw mo pala ha. Ayaw mo tumigil, kaya... Uy, yung Joshi-washi mo. Joshi-washi. No. Lilib ako.
Ayoko.
Yung hard work ginawa ko, lilib ako.
Igibula ko ito.
Gusto mo live ka? Oh, sige, wala kang ano. Amber, ayaw mo yung house na yun? Ayaw mo? Wala ka ng ano. Hindi kita tutulungan. Wala ka na gagawin. Hindi na ako host.
Sabi ko,